What's up guys, welcome to Unblocked. From our previous tutorial, you know how to buy an NFT project completely. But with so many hundreds of thousands of NFT projects dropping every week, every month, how to judge which one would be successful. So here's a video on how to analyze an NFT project. So how to analyze an NFT project. First, team. The first criteria I look to assess is whether the team is world-class. The long-term success of a project will boil down to the ability of the team to be able to execute it. Here are some of the questions I ask myself when assessing the quality of the team. Do they have a history of massive success? Do they have a strong personal brand and are trustworthy? Do they have an unfair competitive advantage in the NFT world? Are they networked with other world-class individuals? Is this project the team's sole focus, or is it just a side project? Bet on people. So without a world-class team behind the project, it's a no from me. Second, community. The community is what makes the wheels turn. They are, in many cases, the driving force behind an NFT project's success. The best NFT projects like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, VeeFriends, and World of Women have prioritized community engagement as part of their execution plan, which has driven much of these projects' early value. As human beings, we are hardwired to desire a community and belonging, and I believe that NFT projects that can foster this innate desire at scale will be the projects that survive and thrive. Some of the questions I ask myself to assess the performance for community engagement are: do they have a large, active, and growing Discord channel? Do they have a large and engaged following on Twitter? Has a team hired individuals solely responsible for community management? Are the founding team actively engaging with the community regularly? Making sure people within Discord are not talking about a quick flip is another important aspect to consider. If members are looking to make a quick profit, this shows that the project is likely to have little long-term value. Next, are founders more concerned with floor price and not future goals? An alarming indication of short-term mentality, unlikely to drive sustained value to the project. 3. Art. Always invest in NFTs that you like. Second, essentially your NFT is a product. So look at it from that perspective. Whether it's a CryptoPunk or a Cyberpunk, at its core, it is just a product. People are looking to extract value through ownership. And value is equal to utility. Utility can come in two forms: tangible or intangible. For example, tangible can be exclusive access to airdrops, events, or discounts, while intangible value can be through being associated with a person, community, or brand. Some questions to ask when assessing for utility: is the value delivered highly desirable by a large group of people? Does it have a real world or a digital utility? If the price of the NFT went down, would I still be able to extract value from it? A great way to assess if a project is for you, if it resonates with you, is to look at their roadmap, look at their vision, what is it that they're trying to do in the future, and actively spend a lot of time in Discord to really understand if it's like a hype project or does it really feel like a community. Are people really passionate about the project? So this is how to analyze an NFT project. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it valuable.